Well, YouTube, I never thought I would be saying this again, but what's going on, everybody? It is the Stacking 3%er, or at least formerly the Stacking 3%er, and welcome to my revival channel, the Gold and Silver Brief. Just to prove to you that this is truly, indeed, the channel that was once the Stacking 3%er, here is my channel that has not gone live yet. This video I intend to post tomorrow, Friday the 13th, 2026. But here's the new channel, 16,500 subscribers out there. I can't imagine the algorithm is going to like this very much, and that's okay. And I feel like I've got a little bit of explaining to do. But again, just to prove that this is in fact what was the Stacking 3%ers channel, and that is me. Here is that inactive channel that has been hidden for a very, very long time, losing subscribers by the day, although the channel is hidden. Here's all the old content with all the private videos, thousands and thousands of views, thousands of comments, dozens and dozens and dozens, a couple hundred videos. It has been over 5 years since I've posted on YouTube. November 23rd, 2020. Over 1,900 days ago. I think I might have posted a couple videos after November, but I've deleted them forever, and there will be more videos that probably end up deleted long term, but some of the legacy evergreen videos will be coming back eventually. It's just going to be kind of a staged manner, because I recognize that the algorithm is going to have a field day with this. So again, I know this is going to be well, I don't know what the reaction's going to be. I certainly was not a pioneer in the gold and silver niche on YouTube, but for my age group, I was definitely making a name for not only myself as the Stacking 3%er, but the gold and silver niche for the younger audience as well at the time. If you're seeing this video, thanks for taking a click on the video. Again, I know this will come as a shock and surprise, perhaps, to some. This video might not get any traction or views at all, and that's completely okay as well. Where I've been, well, I stopped posting to YouTube because I stopped loving the niche. I felt my passion for precious metals, gold and silver, bullion in general, were becoming diminished. I no longer loved the niche for gold and silver. I loved the niche for my own selfish endeavors and, quite frankly, a selfish agenda as well, which was make money, become popular, and, garner some kind of reputation on YouTube. The channel became way too political. It became way too about the news, and less about what I truly enjoyed and was passionate about and care about and loved, and that's gold and silver. It's 5 years later. A lot has changed. I'm a much different person. I am much more mature. I'm life and career focused, as many that may remember me, I've always kind of been. I've had another child. Some of you might remember my daughter, she'll be turning 6 in a couple months, and my son will be turning 2 in a couple months. It's been that long. I've gone through 3 job changes since I last posted on YouTube, and I'm finally in a career, in a position where I think I'm going to be probably for the rest of my career, God willing. I like my job, everything's going really, really well on a personal level, guys. So, just again, to reiterate, this is my channel. This is the old Stacking 3%er content. I'm attempting to rebrand, and we're going to get back to the good old days of just covering simply what's going on in the gold and metals market. Because gold and silver are booming, and there's been a ton of crazy stuff going on. And again, we're going to try to disconnect from politics as much as possible. Some of that obviously inevitably plays a role, but this channel is going to be the gold and silver brief. It's about what is happening in the metals market. Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to see a lot of old videos resurface. Some will be the stacking videos that I had posted on the channel. I have benefited and capitalized tremendously from this market. Guys, I have been sitting on the sidelines, watching, observing, paying attention. I never left YouTube. I just hid my channel and stopped posting content. I got my life figured out now, and I'm ready to come back and do it all again. So, again, this video will probably go live on Friday the 13th of all days. Gold and silver is back, and this channel is back. So we are not going to get into covering a lot right now. I figured I would show one of the best websites that I've been looking at recently and following just for live metals prices. That's goldprice.org. A lot of really good resources and charts here. And, you know, everybody can kind of see here what has happened in metals over the past few months. I mean, if we go back just 6 months, this is life-changing movements for some people that were in this space. I mean, I have paid tremendous amount of debt off. I've paid student loans off, and I'm more passionate about gold and silver now than I've ever been. So there is really a lot to cover, a lot to talk about. I wanted to cover and look at just a few headlines on gold and silver. I recognize, I'm sorry, on Kitco is what I meant to say. Gold and silver, Kitco, etc. This is by far the best website that is going to be a resource for just talking about the market in general. Again, trying to keep all that other crap out of the mix and focus on what you guys originally enjoyed on this camera, or on this channel, excuse me. Albeit, I realize at times I'm very monotone and dry, and it was really just a low effort start to the channel, and something took off in this space, and it was because I spoke so passionately and articulated a vision so well in the gold and silver space. I really think that's why this channel has 16,000 subscribers, if you guys are even still out there. So again, for those of you that might be seeing this video, welcome back. I've missed you guys. There really hasn't been a day that has gone by over the last 5 years where I don't think about this channel and just how things were going on YouTube. You're not going to see the daily posts anymore. My life is simply too busy. But I would like to crank out 1 to 2 videos every week just to check in. Maybe we'll do some lives in the future. I really don't know. We'll see what some of the feedback looks like. I hope everybody's doing well. A couple of the quick headlines here. Latest metal news. Again, it's late Thursday night, a little after 9 Eastern. Gold and silver are going through a little bit of a sell-off. Reasons are unknown. It's a great headline there. Gold and silver struggling. Not really. I mean, this chart kind of says otherwise right here. A little bit of a correction or a pullback is a buying opportunity for me, as it always has been. I really think that we're, over the next 6 months, going to see gold stabilize between $4,500 and $5,000 an ounce, most likely. But it's a little early into this run to tell. But I just love the panicky, knee-jerk reactions on these websites, and those are the kinds of things that we're gonna cover. Silver inventory plunges as physical demand challenges Western pricing benchmarks. Gold to hit 5,900 by the end of the year. This is what it was all about, guys. This is what the channel was all about. So I appreciate you taking the last 12 minutes to listen. If you have been here the whole time, the Stacking 3%er is back, but that channel is no more. We are the Gold and Silver Brief. More videos to come. Like I said, I'd like to push out at least 1 to 2 videos per week. We'll see. Life is crazy busy, and time does not always permit to record videos, but you will see some of the old legacy videos coming back slowly, because I think this is probably going to jack up the algorithm big time, but you never know. And yeah, I will be looking forward to hopefully hearing from some of you guys again. And yeah, if you see this video and you're totally like, holy crap, what the heck is this, or who is this, where's this guy been, etc., feel free to unsubscribe. That's completely fine, I understand. Otherwise, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you've been up to, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Thank you.